Welcome back to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be continuing the construction of the hypocycloid. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video. All right, let's plot the point now. Let's plot the point now. All right, so we're going to come over, center it here. All right, so we're going to plot the point now. So we're going to go to layer 4, I believe. All right, so we're going to go to spline. And we're going to plot it now, all right? So we're going to go 0 would be here. The next point would be right here. I'm going to come down. All right, the next arc would be 3, this one. The next arc all right, so we have, that is 3, 4 will be coming up here. So this would be 4. This point would be 5. This point would be 6. This point would be the next point. This would be the next point. This would be the next point. This will be the next point. I'm just going to pull down this a little bit so we can see it. We're going to zoom it out. So the next point would be right here. Right here. See that? Right here. And then zoom back actually. Yes. We're right here. And then the last point now would be right at the end of 12. Enter. And this is our hypocycloid. Good. So good job if you got it correct. This is a hypocycloid, right? So we're going to label it hypocycloid. So we're going to come here. I'm going to click right here. Come here. We need to hypocycloid. So this is a hypocycloid. All right. I'm gonna put this on the layer 3 or layer 2. Okay. All right, so that's a hypocycloid. I'm gonna put this one on layer 4, yes, and there it is. Now the next thing, so good job if you got it correct. The next thing we can do, we can you guess what's the next thing we can do? We're gonna draw the normal and tangent to the hypocycloid. Now, can you guess how you think we would draw the normal and tangent to the hypocycloid? Can you guess? All right, the first thing we need to do, we need to identify where the point P would be. So what we're gonna do, we're going to draw a line to intersect the curve so that we can label the point P. All right. So we're going to draw a random line. We're going to go to layer 5. We're going to draw a random line. All right, that is the point P. So let's label it now. P, single line text. We're going to make it 6 millimeters the height. This is capital letter P. All right. Now layer. All right, so what we're going to do now, from P, we're going to mark an arc over this side. So we're going to go arc intersection there. Turn on object snap. Intersection right there. We're going to mark an arc 45 millimeters to intersect the center line, right? So we go 45, 45. So 45. Here's the arc. Good. From this point now, we're going to draw a circle um, from that point. All right, so we're going to zoom up. If you zoom up and see, it's not on the 7 line, it's to the left of the 7 line. So we're going to go center, this intersection, see? That intersection is not on the 7 line, right? Gonna come to P, which is here, enter. And this will be our construction circle, all right? What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna label this point O for you, all right? So go single line text. This point, let's turn off object snap. This point, the height 60, this is O. All right, let me move it to the left. Move, enter. All right. So what we're gonna do now, from this arc, we're gonna draw a line to the center, all right? So we're gonna zoom up where the arc intersect right here, we're gonna draw a line. So we're gonna go from here. Need to turn on object snap. From here, we're gonna draw a line to this intersection right here at O. So right here, enter. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna extend the line going to the semicircle there. So we're gonna type extend, EX, so the shortcut for extend. I'm gonna extend this line. So there, 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 there. Good. Where this line intersect the arc, which is of radius 180, this would be Q, right? So let's label this point Q. So single line text, this point right here is Q. All right, so what you're gonna do now, we're gonna draw a line from P to Q, construction line from P to Q. So you have to zoom it up to find it. So Q is right here, right? So we come from there, come to P, enter. All right? Now, what you have to do is extend this line. This will be the normal. So we're gonna extend it so that we can label it and also construct the 90-degree to get the tangent. All right, so we're going to go again. Extend, EX for the shortcut, enter. So we're going to extend it. So we're going to extend, 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 extend. All right, enter. We can actually delete this line. We don't really need it again. So we can delete it. All right, so we don't need it again. That line we drew to trim it, right? So we're going to label this normal. So we'll go single line text. We're going to start, we're going to turn off object snap and we're going to start right here. The height would be 6. Rotational angle would be 1, 110. So this is a mag. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the hypocycloid, and in the next video, we'll be drawing the normal and tangent to the hypocycloid. We thank you for joining us, and we hope that you have a great day. Take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.